Hey, it's Ron from GreenGeeks. In this video, we'll be looking at databases. I'll show you how to create and manage your databases, database users, looking through your database tables, and then exporting a quick database backup. From your GreenGeeks account, click cPanel. Locate the Databases section. We'll be looking at two areas today: Manage My Databases and PHP My Admin. Let's look at Manage My Databases first. This is where you will create a new database, create new database users, and assign database permissions. To start, let's create a new database. Database names are prefixed with the cPanel username of your account. The name you want to use will come after. So let's put new DB for new database and click create. You'll see a confirmation message. And when you go back to the Manage Databases section, you'll see your new database listed here. So if you scroll down to database users, you can create a new database user to connect to your database. So I like to name it the same as a database name just to keep things matching. So we'll call this new DB. And for the password, we can just use a cPanel password generator and click create user. Give it a moment to load and you will see a confirmation message for your user being created. If you go back to the databases page and go all the way to the bottom, you'll now see your new user listed here at the bottom. To allow that user to connect to your database, you need to use the area called Add User to Database. You'll select your user at the top, select your database at the bottom, and click Add. You'll be brought to a new page that shows you the various permissions you can select. In most cases, you'll just want to select all privileges at the top, scroll down, and click Make Changes. You'll see a confirmation message that your user is now assigned to your database. Your user can now connect to the database and you can use your information in your website application to proceed with installation or whatever step you may be on. Now that you know how to manage your databases, let's look at what's actually inside of them. Under the Databases section, click PHP My Admin. PHP My Admin is a database management interface. It'll show you all of the databases under your cPanel, the database tables within them, and all of the data that your database contains. On the left-hand side, you can see our new database that we made. You can click that and see that there's no tables in this database, which is normal since we just created it. If we look at the WordPress database that I have that I created separately, you will see a few various tables in here. These are all WordPress database tables. If you look at the WP options table, you can see various settings for WordPress, including the website title, description, administrator email, and a lot more. Now, how would we want to export a quick backup? Well, if we go to our database here, and then we click export at the top, you can leave the settings the same and just click export. This will download a file to your computer that you can use to easily import your database into another MySQL server elsewhere. Now you know how to quickly manage your databases in cPanel. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.